How to create Instagram top 9 for 2019. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. But before that, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the digital world. In this channel, we are trying to demystify the complexities of digital world by making the simple tech tutorials like this one. So if you're interested, then consider subscribing. Now there are two ways to make your Instagram top 9. One is with the help of the websites. There are many websites which will offer this kind of an option, and then there are a bunch of applications or apps on your Play Store. You can search for top 9 Instagram 2019 and you can download any of these apps to make your top 9 Instagram for 2019. But I'm going to install this first one. Once this app will open, you will see it will ask you for a username. You need to give the username of your Instagram account, and then it will ask you for the email address. It is primarily for the reason that it will go and search your account for your top 9 most posts, which it will make a grid, and it will show you once it will find out all these things. Now once you will click this find my top 9, it is going to open your most pictures on your Instagram account. This was a test account which I'm going to delete most likely after this tutorial. So I only have 2 pictures, and it has shown me these 2 in the form of a grid. And as you can see, that there is a summary on the bottom that you have 2 posts, 1 like and 1 like per post. And once you click this customize, you can customize this, that you can switch off total likes, or you can switch on the like per post. You can switch on this tab. You can also remove the watermark by toggling this switch towards the right side, but then it is going to ask you for money. But I would suggest that since the watermark is very mild, as you can see on these pictures here, you can see there is a T which is shown here, and it is very mild. It is not affecting your grid. I would suggest that since you are doing it only for a fun, you should not buy the app and just go and share this with the watermark. Anyways, you can also create a video by clicking this button, but again it is going to ask you for a money. So it is up to you. For it is asked for a couple of bucks. If you are willing to pay, you can create a video and you can remove the watermark. Otherwise, you can by default, this app is going to bring you the top 9 most posts on your Instagram account in the form of a grid. You can customize that grid, and then you can click this share button and you can share it on the Instagram, or you can save it on device, and the additional options would also certainly be available. So that's how you can create your Instagram top 9 for 2019. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like button, share and subscribe.